Speed number 1 AP Inter speed 100 words per minute. January 1999. 10 seconds. 5 seconds. Now start. Ladies and gentlemen, it is indeed a great privilege for me to take this opportunity to meet all of you who have come from different parts of the world here. I would like to join the Honorable Speaker of the Lok Sabha in welcoming you to this seminar. I hope and trust that your stay in our capital will be comfortable and fruitful. I hope you will be able to find time to see some places in and around the capital city during your stay here. As you all know, the seminar is aimed at exchange of views, experiences and information on parliamentary system of democracy. It is also possible to make available a range of services to members for the purpose of strengthening the system of governance in their respective countries. I would like to draw your attention to the smooth and efficient functioning of this great international organization. Notwithstanding the differences in race and religion and culture of members, it is very interesting to see that differences among members have been resolved through negotiations. I sincerely thank all those who have played a significant role to promote friendly relations. The modern model of parliamentary democracy as has been existing in this country over the last 15 years owes a great deal to the British model. Time and again, it has been proved on several occasions that is the place where the will of the people ultimately prevails. In my opinion, there is no other system in the world which is reflecting the hopes and aspirations of different sections of the people of the nation as a whole. The success of democracy in any country depends to a great extent on the agenda put before Parliament. I believe that what happens in Parliament has a great effect on people, although it may not be possible to see the same immediately. I think you will agree with me that any issue which figures prominently in Parliament for a long period of time leaves a lasting impression in public mind. It is therefore necessary that the business chosen for Parliament's consideration and its handling are important. There can be no doubt that parliamentary proceedings serve as education to the people. If it could be possible for the ruling party raise above party angle. This great institution inspires the nation primarily by its positive approach with total commitment to nation's progress. From this point of view, there is great need for prior discussions amongst leaders of various political parties. Such discussions help in making Parliament more and more effective and meaningful to the people. I believe that in countries where modern democracy is just taking root, the usefulness of Parliament needs to be demonstrated and impressed upon the people with greater clarity and deeper conviction. I am inclined to think that no country can afford to lose heart for the drawbacks and deficiencies of the system. With these words, I have great pleasure in inaugurating this seminar. Letter. Dear sirs, we are in receipt of your letter dated 15th instant, and thank you very much for sending us your latest catalog and price list. Since your terms and conditions are encouraging, we would like to place the order for supply of some of the latest foreign editions of textbooks to meet the special needs of students of business management and administration, computer science, l- leather technology, and medicine. Since admissions for medicine and engineering courses have just been completed in this state, there is very heavy demand and we need stocks immediately. We enclose here with a detailed statement of our immediate requirement of goods and request you to dispatch them by return of post so as to enable us to make good business. We hope you will appreciate the need to stick to time schedules in improving business relations. We enclose here with a bank draft for rupees 1 lakh towards advance and assure payment of the balance amount within 10 days from the date of receipt of the goods at this end, soliciting your prompt action in dispatching the books in time and assuring you of our cooperation at all times. Yours truly, Senior Marketing Manager. Stop.